How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto French toast from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make this, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by two of my longtime subscribers, Ryan Armstrong and Tyler Wilkins. Thank you so much for being a part of this channel. This is for you and everyone else around the world. And if you have a video recommendation, leave it in the comment section down below. If it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it and give you credit right in that video. And as always, check the description of this video where I'll give you the complete list of ingredients and the directions on how I made this amazing keto recipe. Alright, let me show you how to make this right now. Alright, we're going to start off with 1 cup of almond flour, a ½ cup of filtered water, 1 tablespoon of powdered erythritol, 1 teaspoon of arrowroot starch, a ½ teaspoon of baking powder, and a ¼ teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to combine these into a large mixing bowl. And mix until combined. Alright, the mixture has been mixed thoroughly. Now we're going to transfer this onto a pan lined with parchment paper. We have our pan here. And with some wet hands, just form the dough. Alright, it's been flattened thoroughly. Now we're going to place this into the oven, preheating at 350 degrees for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, we'll make our batter for the French toast. Just 2 large eggs and a ¼ teaspoon of cinnamon. And mix until combined. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes later. Alright, take a non-stick pan and place it on a medium heat. Put about 1 tablespoon of butter on the pan. Once the butter has melted sufficiently, we're going to add half of the egg mixture to the bottom. Then take your French toast that has been cooled and place it on the egg batter. And place the other half of the egg mixture on top. After a few minutes, we're going to flip it onto the other side. Perfect. Let it cook for another 2 minutes and then the French toast will be done. Alright, the French toast has been pan fried evenly. Now we're going to slice it up evenly into slices. Look at that French toast. But we're not done yet. We're going to take about a teaspoon of powdered erythritol and sift it onto the French toast. Look at that French toast. Now for a taste test. Can't wait to try it. That is delicious. Absolutely amazing. This tastes just like a French toast, especially with the powdered sugar on top, which isn't sugar at all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troy signing out.